Don't always cook the noodles. Today I will share with you a very delicious dish, fried noodles. After the pot comes out, the strings keep on. Every time my sister-in-law comes back she wants me to fry it for her. Eat it every time you fry a big plate. Follow my video next. Let's see how it is done together. First of all, according to our own quantity, prepare some dry noodles. This kind of noodles doesn't rot easily no matter how long it is cooked. It will taste better. After the water boils, we first put the noodles into the pot. Flip it with chopsticks. Let the noodles soak in water. Cook the noodles. When the noodles are cooked to about 8 right, we are going to take it out of the water. Put it in a cold oven prepared in advance to cool down. Stir it with chopsticks to cool quickly. Pour out the cold noodles. Put it in the meat basket for later use. Next, we prepare some side dishes. Prepare a washed and peeled carrot. First, slice it up. And then I cut the carrots into little strands. Carrots are very nutritious. You can cut a little more in moderation. Cut it all and put it on a plate for later use. Next, prepare half a cabbage. After washing, cut the cabbage into filaments. The taste of cabbage is crispy and is very nutritious. After all are cut, put it on a plate for later use. Noodles cannot be separated. Prepare from to cut a scallion into long pieces. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Prepare semi-elect peppers. Cut it in circles. Friends who don't like spicy food can leave it alone. Cut it all and put it in a bowl for later use. Whisk 2 serious hen eggs into a small bowl. Add a few drops of white vinegar to remove the fishy smell. Then mix well with chopsticks. When we were beating eggs, pick it up with chopsticks like this. This way, the eggs will be more fluffy, then soft. Then add a little cooking oil to the pot. After the oil is hot, pour the eggs into the pan. Don't open the fire too much at this time. Blanch the eggs over low heat. And slide the pan. Fry an egg into an omelette. Fry until one side is set, then turn it over and fry the other side until golden brown on both sides. After frying the eggs into a pie like this on the cutting board. Let cool and cut the eggs in half. Finally, change the egg to a knife. Cut into wider filaments like this. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Next, add a spoonful of light soy sauce to the bowl. Half a spoonful of dark soy sauce to improve color. A little oyster sauce to freshen up. Add a little sugar. A little chicken essence. A small amount of table salt. Pour in a small half bowl of water. Then stir well with a spoon. Let the seasoning melt. Mix it all well and put it aside for later use. At this time, the moisture of the noodles has also been dried. We pour it into a large bowl. Then drizzle some cooking oil into the noodles. Then stir well with chopsticks. Let each noodle top can be wrapped in a thin layer of cooking oil. This will keep the noodles from sticking when fried. Next, add a little cooking oil to the pot. After the oil heats up, pour down the shredded carrots and cabbage and fry until fragrant. Fry the shredded carrots and cabbage until soft and cooked. Add a little more vegetables. Make the noodles more crispy. Add a little salt to the base. Continue to stir fry to let the salt melt. Then pour the chili in. Continue to stir fry the peppers until they die. Add the noodles after frying. After the noodles are put into the pot, turn to high heat and stir fry quickly. After frying, add the prepared sauce. Then continue to stir fry quickly and evenly. Let all the ingredients in it absorb the taste of the sauce. Add dark soy sauce to make the noodles brighter. Stir fry well and then pour in the eggs. Then quickly stir fry evenly. Finally, add the scallions. Then continue to stir fry. Stir fry the fragrance of the shallots. Is that a very simple and delicious vegetarian fried instant noodles? You can take it out of the pot and put it on the plate. In the future, don't always cook and eat this kind of instant noodles. Buy it home later like I do. It tastes strong, fragrant, and is very nutritious. If you also like noodles, just collect it and try it. Well, today's video will be shared here. If you like my video, remember to like leave a message and forward it. See you in the next video. Thank you for your support.